Hello everyone. In this video we are looking at functions, and this is our question. Two functions are defined as fx equals to x squared minus 1 and hx equals to x plus 3. Find part A, the inverse of f at x equals to 3, and part B, the value of x if hf equals to fh. Let's start with part A. Part A, it is telling us to find the inverse. Now to find the inverse of fx, which is x squared minus 1, we let y to be x squared minus 1. And after letting y to be x squared minus 1, we switch the letters. The y becomes x and the x becomes y. So this will be x is equal to y squared minus 1. And then the next step is making y the subject. So making it the subject will bring what is known to y this side. For example, this negative 1 should come this side, and since it is crossing equal signs, it will become positive. So we shall have x plus 1 is equal to y squared. And then this can be written as y squared is equal to x plus 1. So find the square root on both sides to get rid of this square on the y. So that will give us y equals to the square root of x plus 1. So our inverse is the inverse of x. Fx is the square root of 3, the square root of x plus 1. But they asked for the inverse. They asked for the inverse at x equals to 3. So the inverse at x equals to 3 will be the square root of 3 plus 1, which is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. So this one becomes our answer. So we've done part A and our answer is 2. Then part B, it is asking us for the value of x when hf is equal to fh. So we have to find these composite functions. First, let's start with hf. And we have to first write our expressions. Our fx is x squared minus 1, and hx is x plus 3, and hx is x plus 3. So we are going to look at fh of x. So this means in the function f we are putting in h. In the function f we are putting in h. So where there is x in f, put there h. And in this case I will be having h squared minus 1. And then what is h? H is x plus 3, all of it squared, then minus 1. That is our hf. Sorry, that is our fh. And then let's find also hf of x. So this one means in h, put there f. Where there is x in H, put there f. So if I put f here, it will give me f plus 3. But what is f? F is x squared minus 1. So this will be x squared minus 1 then plus 3, which gives us something like x squared plus 2. So we have the two composite functions needed to solve the question. We have this and that, and they said that the two are equal. So we are going to equate this equals to that. So equating them, we shall be having x plus 3 squared minus 1 is equal to x squared plus 2. Now we are going to solve this equation to find the value of x. Expand this first. So in expansion, this is a perfect square, so we can use the shortcut of x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then minus 1 is equal to x squared plus 2. If you are having problems with expanding perfect squares, there is a video on perfect squares on my channel. Please subscribe and watch that video. So the next part will be correcting like terms. Let's correct those one with x this side and those one without x the other side. But before we correct like terms, we can see that we have a positive x squared this side and a positive x squared the other side. So these two will cancel and remain with only 6. So you have nothing to correct as per now, apart from taking this the other side. So you have 6x plus 8 is equal to 2. So we take this 8 that side. Since it is positive, it becomes negative, and we get 6x is equal to 2 minus 8. So you have 6x is equal to negative 6. Divide by 6, divide by 6. And then our answer will be 1. Negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. So this is what they were asking for in the question. That find the value of x when hf equals to fh. And we've just equated these two and we got the value of x as negative 1. So that is the answer. Thank you.